In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Google Sheets to Asana. This is a fantastic way to combine the power of Google Sheets with Asana's project management capabilities, creating a dynamic duo for managing your tasks and projects seamlessly. By following these simple steps, you'll be able to harness this integration to its full potential. Let's jump right in. First, open your Google Sheets where you'd like to connect it to Asana. As you find yourself on the main interface of Google Sheets, direct your attention to the top menu bar. Here, you will see an option labeled Extensions. Go ahead and click on it. This is your gateway to enhancing the functionality of your spreadsheet with various add-ons. As the menu unfolds from the Extensions button, you'll want to look for the option that says Add-ons. Hover over it, and a side menu will pop up, providing a few more actions. What we are looking for, specifically, is the option that says Get Add-ons. Click on it, and this will take you directly into the Google Workspace Marketplace, a treasure trove of tools and add-ons that can supercharge your Google Sheets experience. Inside the Google Workspace Marketplace, you'll find a convenient search bar. In this search bar, type in Asana and hit Enter or click the search icon. The Marketplace will now bring up a selection of related add-ons for you to choose from. What you need is the one that simply says Asana. This is the official add-on that allows you to connect your Google Sheets with your Asana account. Select the Asana add-on by clicking on it. Here, you'll see more information about what this add-on can do for you, as well as the Install button. Click Install, and Google will guide you through a brief set of installation permissions and confirmations. You may have to log into your Google account during this process to verify your identity, so keep those credentials handy. Once you confirm and grant the necessary permissions, you're on your way to integrating these two powerful tools. And there you have it. Your Google Sheets is now connected to Asana. With this integration, you can easily import tasks from your projects into a spreadsheet, export data for in-depth analysis, or keep track of your progress effectively. This connection will help streamline your workflow, offering a better overview with real-time data access and improve collaboration by keeping everyone on the same page. By following these steps, you've set up a seamless bridge between Google Sheets and Asana, opening the door to enhanced productivity and smoother task management. Enjoy exploring and leveraging this powerful combination for your projects.